Kill set.
Down. Alive. That's right, mate.
Hit!
One behind the tree, one behind the woodpile.
I don't know why so. I think so. Good shot!
Pull back in.
Yeah, just as long as you're out of engagement.
Merry Christmas!
Three, two, one.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Now play with the children's toy.
Right.
Good persistence on this ride here, guys.
Nice
Well
pushing,
done.
girls. Well done.
Oh, your knees match your shoes. Nice.
Just a wee bit.
Was that someone shooting us on our left?
So you painted them up, or?
Sorry?
They've all come like that.
The bags?
Yeah.
No, they come like that.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that was feeling like assaulting a Russian bunker or something right there.
Right. The village.
Ho, ho, ho!
Hey guys.
More cheerleading at the
Sort of up this road and hard
village.
left, or you can just go straight through to those little buildings.
Roger, are those buildings, is that our next objective?
Yeah, so that's our wee village. There's about 12 wee buildings. But we're looking for the church, which is a double-storey one at this end. Gas station, which has got oil drums outside of it, and the warehouse is
I think it's one of the ones up the far end.
Fair enough.
Roll a bit.
Okay, there.
You were too cheerful for the other team.
Cheerful or fearful? Doesn't matter what side he is on, he'll go on screen. Friendlies are in church. Where is he? There he is.
He's behind that there. See?
Second, cover right hand side, between the doorway.
Seen.
Beacon.
Do we have anything in the right and forth?
Down low, prone.
Alan's moving left. I think he's in coffee. Never mind, he's running across the road. You up?
Yeah, I'm up.
Right.
I'm
Might
just
try to.
wondering what to do.
Yeah, I might try to push across and start sneaking up a little
Yeah, I see a berm out on the left. I could try something dumb and then just die.
bit. I think that's a cool idea.
Yeah, so.
I will watch and also provide cover fire.
Copy.
We got friendlies moving in that side. Yep, friendly's in church.
Clear out that fucking settle on the right hand side. I just see a body in there, not sure if he's my team or not. Need better comms on that.
Is the left clear?
Yeah, you got friendlies on the left church, but I don't know how clear it is.
We've got Henry at that little hill.
Oh yeah, Henry.
Alan. Sorry, you're right here.
Both targets looking to be on the right hand side. Got one on the hill. One on the last building before the hill. 3 targets on the right hand side of the road. No eyes. Hard right.
Yep.
Yeah, Bob Rob. That's Bob Rob.
Hey, crossing.
One coming back up. Pushing up on the right. One pushing in right towards the cafe. Fucking out because he's dead. Flint's down. One more on the high ground. On the burn. Left side. High ground. Left side. High ground to top. Perfect.
I'm coming, Henry. Hey, baby. Yeah! You're welcome!
Alive!
It's a big clear.
It's
The hill is clear. It was, but I don't think it is anymore. We need to get to warehouse.
The warehouse is the one just in front of us, isn't it?
so, yeah.
Dirk is down, so.
I just got hit in the face by the hill area,
Okay.
but Alan was down.
Dirk is coming back.
Copy.
I think Dirk is going to be on the hill now. that's from the right somewhere. I don't know whom or where. I kind of want to go to the little shed that's right here.
Covering fire down to the right. We need my man here. Pushing out there. Looks like. Is the Dirk go back again, the Neil?
Yeah, it'll be Dirker.
He's hooking in left!
Copy!
To your left! To your left side! Both bodies on the left! Go south, he's pushing in, double bones, moving left towards you! Guys, take the fucking bird!
Jamie, watch the left. Get in, get in.
I think he might be in the building. No, it's one of our tracksuit guys in the building. No, Dirk is down.
It's alright.
Is that one in here?
Alright, right.
Okay, get in.
You gotta get in this building. Get out.
Yeah, that's what you've got me on. Head! Come on, just bring me.
No shit, bro. Cheers, man. They're out far right! Pull out behind us! Far right, flanking us on the other side of the road! Come down!
Yeah! Come into my home and empty your sack.
It's about to be emptied and it will be glorious. Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Again, where's the hose?
Oh, I can't find them. You gotta keep sweeping, boys. Oh, yeah. Time for reload. They seem to be sort of heading back towards Georgetown, so I'd say we've actually depleted the bucket down here as well.
No, there's still people in checkpoint.
Yeah, did you get the checkpoint? I reckon we need some squad, about 3 people on the hard left to get from that side. Yeah. Otherwise they're all camping behind the building.
Yeah,
From here you can see.
do you want to go a bit wider to the mound? Because you got a guy in there shooting across.
Yeah, seen. Alright, I'm moving, ready?
Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, they're going to start pushing up behind us, they're on our flank if we're
Yeah, because that's the thing, like, because
going through here.
the only way for them to go is just to Georgetown, so they'll be hard right.
100%.
Very soon we'll start getting shot from there.
Hit! I was talking to Ian because he's got a sack out.
Oh, I like that.
Party! Party, we party like good time!
Party!
Oh! Party, party!
Hey, party!
Party, good time! Merry Christmas!
Oh, there we go.
Woo! Mr. Gibbs, you may throw my hat! Now fetch it! To Georgetown! Ho, ho, ho! Watch the goals! Nice work, team. Good job.
Know where Georgetown is?
Georgetown?
Yeah. It's the one directly across this way. There's like greyish building things.
I was too close to it.
Possibly. You might have gone too far out for this trip.
Yeah.
For this.
I didn't go in it, but I walked beside it.
Yeah. Generally you sort of go like 10-15 metres out and you'll sleep.
Right, that's good to know. And I thought, fuck it, I'll do the zone special and just run it straight.
Yeah. So if we're taking Georgetown, we can take the street back into the village
We can, right?
and then hook around to the left.
I just got shot in the gun. Turn!
I'm running low. Hot shot. We have. Yeah. What are you seeing, Sackman? Hit! Oh. I feel like he's in one of those two middle things. Yeah. 1 o'clock to end. Hit! Are you alive, Jamie? No.
Above the bed, okay? Come to see the building right. With pistol.
I'm just gonna call it. There you go.
Okay,
Good job.
good shot. Fist bump. He's down. I'm getting shot from that way. And behind me. I got shot from both directions,
Roger.
but I don't know where.
Oh, behind the wheel on the far right, the big wheel in the corner. By the edge. By the Black Sabbath. Wheel. Roger, there's one behind the wheel in the right corner.
Oh, sorry, Sabbath.
Still behind the wheel.
I believe so.
Yeah, he's holding it pretty good. I'm gonna go far right.
I was about to say, do you want to try and go right on him?
Get in there. Spread some cheer, boys. Oh!
No, I was trying to get you to go that way.
Yeah, into your line of fire.
You should have known.
I did know, that's why I was standing where I was standing.
Good job, man. You did it.
I'm going home.
I hate keeping them occupied with cameras here.
That was what I was thinking when I was like, fuck, if I sneak around there.
I see you come around. Now I'm getting low and juice. I'm out of gas in my pistol.
I'm sorry.
Well, you didn't hit me, so I think you're the only person that didn't hit me.
Yes. Wait, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's a good thing. Well, yeah, it's a good thing because it means you were actually
Hitting the target.
Everyone else was just like, no matter where I'd stand back there, I'd be like someone's art because there's like a bounce around.
Yeah. I love editing audio in these videos. See ya.
We're trying to do, but we do like a 2-on-2, so like a three shooting, two moving, two shooting, two moving. Yeah, it's way technical with fire.
There's a good little flank if you head right and you go into the back of the base.
That way?
Yeah, don't go too far right.
Yeah, I got
But
told
you're-
off. I went out of bounds.
Just over that little back.
Is
Yep.
that the bound? Or can we not go over that? Or
Don't go too far. So if you went to that bound and then move straight towards the base,
that's legit?
you'll be able to go around the behind. Yeah, we've done it many times before.
Oh, cool.
Jamie, stop getting hit. Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas.
And with how fast you're running, they probably will hardly see it coming.
Gun, and then we all say ho ho ho.
Oh, yeah.
What'd you call me? No.
Now I have a machine gun!
That's the most retarded thing I've ever seen.
That's Henry for you. Oh, sorry. Yes! Hit! Good shot!
We need each other for launch. They already know we're coming, dude.
Yep. Crossing behind him.
Lead up.
Hit! Put it! Oh. Is Ellen out? Not quite enough on him. Where the fuck are you? Ellen, if you're dead, can you move? I don't know if he's dead or alive. Hit! Good shot! Oh, pardon me.
Come on, please, push up.
Lead by example. one left. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Just watching.